In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on eBay. If you need to update your shipping information for future purchases, eBay makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get to the right settings and update the address connected to your account. To begin, go to ebay.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, move your cursor over your name near the top of the screen. You don't need to click right away at this point. Just hover over your name so the account menu appears. This menu gives you quick access to several personal account options. When that drop-down menu opens, click on Account Settings. This will take you to the main area where you can manage your personal details, preferences, and account-related information. If you've never visited this section before, don't worry. Everything is grouped clearly, so it's easy to navigate. Once you're in Account Settings, look for the Addresses option and click on it. This section is where eBay stores the addresses associated with your account, including the one used for shipping. If you've ever moved, changed apartments, or simply want packages sent somewhere else, this is the place you'll need. After opening the addresses page, find the shipping address section. This is the address eBay uses when you place an order, so it's important to make sure it's accurate and up to date. Click on the shipping address area to continue. Next, click on Edit. This lets you make changes to the current shipping information saved on your account. If you have multiple addresses or older details stored, take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct one before moving forward. On the next screen, you'll see your shipping address details. From here, click Edit again to update the information. You can then change the necessary fields, such as your street address, city, state, postal code, or any other relevant part of the address. Be careful when entering the new details, since even a small typo can cause shipping delays or delivery issues. Once your changes are complete, review everything carefully before saving. It's always a good idea to double check the address formatting, especially if you're expecting an important order soon. And that's it. That's how to change your address on eBay. After saving your update, your new shipping addresses should be ready for future purchases.